Hey everyone, quick breakdown for anyone considering a Soundbar Pro 2.1 and wanting to know what to realistically expect before buying. First, one important limitation is that there's no app control at all, so everything is adjusted directly through the remote or onboard buttons, which might be a downside if you're used to app-based tuning. Bluetooth works, but it can occasionally be unstable, so it's fine for casual listening but not something I'd rely on for critical use. Another big thing to understand is that this soundbar supports HDMI ARC only, not eARC, which means you won't get lossless high bitrate audio formats. Despite that, it does support Dolby Audio, not Dolby Atmos, so you'll still get improved surround style sound, just not true object based audio. Setup can also require specific TV audio settings to be enabled, so it's not always plug and play depending on your TV. Availability is another factor, as it's not sold in every region. On the positive side, you do get a wireless subwoofer, 6 sound modes, NFC audio pairing, and solid ARC connectivity, making it a good overall package if you understand its limits. As long as you're aware of these trade offs, it can still be a solid value soundbar for everyday use.